Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today I am standing in one of the most beautiful condos at 10 Smith Manor Boulevard, Unit 319 in West Orange, New Jersey. This unit is gorgeous. It has beautiful gleaming wood floors, gorgeous kitchen with all new appliances, an amazing private balcony overlooking the lake and the tennis courts. It truly is a beautiful unit. One of my favorite parts is the walk-in closet. It has a dressing area with 2 walk-in closets. It is a beautiful unit. It's currently being used as a studio, but can easily be turned into a 1-bedroom. It is over 1,000 square feet and it really is a gorgeous place. You're gonna definitely wanna check this one out. One of the best parts is the amenities that the building provides. Valet parking, they'll wash your car. You have Doorman, 24-hour gated community, and New York City transportation right at your doorstep. If you're interested in more information, please contact us today at jocelynsellsnj.com or give me a call at 973-321-6033 and we'll get you in here so you can see this beautiful condo. We'll talk to you soon, and remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day.